Yo, got a lip on here. It has a lip on it. That's the piece I need though. This one. But on the driver's side. It's the one I need. I'm gonna get the lip off here too. It got a lip. It got a lip. It got a little, what is this? Wing. Stop trunk stuff. Oh, it's a spare back here. There's a spare back here. Great. Yeah, yo. I'm gonna get that lip and this off of here. Just about already off. Yeah, you can set that down if you want, baby. I want to get that covered too. Hold up. I can see what my car looks like. Ew. Huh. Let's see what my car looks like. Got headlights here. What the fuck? What is that? Yeah, I'm gonna get that lip in. It's what? Just screws holding the lip in? Yeah, I'm gonna get this lip. Yeah, guys. Popping off the lip. And as it is, I'll probably just have to bend that off of there or something. I don't have none that'll fit them screws. Yeah. Yeah. I need to get that off there. So actually, so guys, we got off one piece that we need for the driver's side. Damn, I'm about to fall over. Just the driver's side piece off. Yeah, we get the rest of the lip off right now. I think got a screw on the bottom. Yeah.
There's another screw left?
Yeah, there's one on the bottom. Yeah, on the bottom right here. I'll get that done. Alright guys, so we just got back from the junkyard. We got that side piece that we need for our car. And this timing chain cover thing. But I'm gonna rinse this off so you can see all this oil and crap. So anyways, we're just gonna put this, we got this cover from the junkyard, just gonna put this cover back on here. So it looks nice and tidy again. Let me make sure I'm not pressing down on nothing important, you know. So, let's get this bolt in there. This one goes in there too, like that. That bolt. Let's see what I did in tool. That fits in there. Tighten that up. do this side now. These are Junkyard bolts. But yeah, it's not a good spot to drop that. Put that in. That looks way better than it did, bro. Looks way better. That off a little bit. Nah, it looks way better there. I'm fucking with it. Make sure it don't rub or nothing. Like the belt don't hit or anything like that.